I'm Amy Copeland, and I'm a clinical assistant professor and program coordinator in the Early Childhood Care and Education program at Idaho State University. We have lots of degree options. We have a 1-year intermediate technical certificate, a 2-year associate degree, and then the associate degree can lead into a 4-year bachelor's degree program, which you can become an elementary school teacher. A day in the life of our student is usually the first week of school. We place you out in practicum experiences, and you get direct experience working with young children. And then you come to the class Monday through Thursday in the afternoons, and you do your typical college coursework, lectures. We do lots of hands-on activities that you would do with young children, so you can get practice doing those in practical ways before taking them out in the classroom. I think the best thing about early childhood is just being able to work with young children and really be at that forefront of when brain development happens. It's the exciting piece to get to see kids be able to progress and language development, learning how to read and doing math all through play. One exciting thing about our program is that we're the only nationally accredited program in Idaho for 2-year programs, and so that's a pretty exciting thing. And that accreditation is through the National Association of Education of Young Children. So that's really what sets our program apart from other programs in the state.